Hey, hello everyone. My name is Luis Rodriguez, and I am making this short video in support of my dear friend Marius Koller. And look at this beautiful background here in Niterói, Rio de Janeiro. But anyway, so I just wanted to tell really briefly about my story with this guy. So Marius and I have been friends for, oh boy, I'd say 25 years. Yeah, close to 25 years. We met in Miami Beach, Florida in 2001. And I had just moved there from California, but I'm originally from Brazil, my native country, but I lived in the US for 42 years. Anyway, so Marius and I met and we immediately connected, became really good friends, and had an environmental nonprofit in Miami Beach. And Marius is always there supporting us, supporting our projects and beach cleanups, recycling programs, a variety of different, projects we had. And little by little, I started getting involved also with this passion, with this world, right, with this vision of what he wanted to achieve. And I saw in Marius this man, this person with determination, with a vision, they wanted to see something better, not only for himself but also for others. So I saw him like really involved in some marketing, businesses. Then he just created this beautiful magazine, fashion magazine, promoting different events in Miami Beach and Miami. And but little by little, I saw him that he wanted more. He still was trying to find his place. He's trying to find, where he fits. And so I eventually, we parted. He moved back to Germany, and I moved to Brazil in 2021. And so I moved to a new reality that I've been gone for 42 years, and I came back to basically no friends, no connections, right? So I suddenly talked to Marius, and he started sharing with me about his new, project, his new business, M3 Systems. And when he described it to me, and I said, God, this is what I need, Marius, I need this in my life. So I started working with him on the MC system. And I have to say, it's been amazing. It's been, starting to already connect, help me deal with some of the challenges that I'm dealing with, here because of this new road, right? This new roadmap in my life. And so anyway, so I wanted just to send this message to everyone that I really have great trust on Marius. I believe in him, and I see that his passion, the passion he has for whatever he does, always takes him to the next level. So I'm really excited to, I'm still working on the system with him, but I'm very excited. So I can't wait to finish the program and then, share with others as well. So Marius, my friend, keep on going, and I'll be there with you to support you as you support me as well. Thanks so much. Love you, man. Bye.